You can expect a lot from the 2020 Toyota Camry. This 4-door, 5-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, fully automatic headlights, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.